Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is how to earn money online in Pakistan without investment. Want to know how to earn money online in Pakistan without investment? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Best online earning website in Pakistan 2022. Since most people want to generate money without investment, we will share method to generate online income with minimum investment so you can generate a handsome amount of income without worrying about investment. Start freelancing. Freelancing is in trend in 2022 mainly since you don't need any money to start. You can sell any service on freelancing platforms, whether you are an artist who create illustration or someone who can write. Here are the top freelance websites in 2022. Number 1 is Fiverr. Fiverr is the best website to make online money with investment. It is the top freelancing website in Pakistan. You can offer any service on this platform. Fiverr is a gig based freelance platform where you can start selling your service for hours for $5 only. Fiverr provide an opportunity for everyone, whether you are a complete beginner or an expert in your field. Here are the most profitable services you can sell on Fiverr. Number 1, proofreading and editing. Number 2, design books covers. Number 3, logo designing. Number 4, virtual assistant. Number 5, ad campaigns. Number 6, creating video, creating greetings or intro. Number 7, digital marketing. And number 8 is article writing. Other platform is Upwork. Unlike Fiverr, Upwork provide the opportunity to professionals. Upwork enable professional agency owners and contractors to find jobs on the platform. Upwork focused on long-term projects. Freelancers work with single companies for years. Freelancing working in specific field bid on jobs to get contracts. To bid on Upwork, you need connects at the start. Upwork provide 80 connects for free to freelancers. Once you use all your free connects, you must buy a monthly subscription. After you complete a job, a client leave a review on your profile, which help you generate more clients in the future. Freelancer.com. Freelancer is another easy way to use freelancing platform in Pakistan. Freelancers can easily create profile on freelancers.com and start selling. Free members are given 8 offers every month. Freelancer.com has opted milestone payment system, meaning you will be paid once you meet specific targets. Become an influencer. Influencer is a high paid, whether they work with brands or earn money from monetization. Becoming a freelancer gives you a lot of benefits, like you work on your own. You are not dependent to any brand or website. Here are a website you can use it. YouTube. We often see advertisement on YouTube videos, but most people don't know that YouTubers are paid handsome amount to show ads on their channel. It is a great way to earn money online in Pakistan without investment. To start on YouTube, you need content and it must be original. YouTube monetization content with their video and display banner ad. YouTube pay creators according to their category education, finance, and marketing are among the highest paid niches. You don't need to make a serious form of content. You can make funny content, ASMRs, vlogs, and more. Here is the list top paying YouTube niches. Number 1 is social media marketing, number 2 is finance and investment, number 3 is educational video, number 4 photography and filmmaking, number 5 is cars, number 6 is lifestyle, number 7 is fashion and clothing, number 8 is entertainment, and number 9 is cooking. Instagram or Facebook. Becoming an influencer on Instagram and Facebook is easier than ever. With the inclusion of Reels, people are observing rapid growth in their accounts. Most people don't know that social media influencers make millions of rupees through brand sponsorship, products review, and more. To start on social media website like Instagram and Facebook, you need to pick a niche. It could be fashion, cooking, or anything of your interest. After that, you must focus on market trend and put your effort consistently for an extended period. Once you have a certain level of following and exposure, brand will automatically start reaching out to you for sponsorship. Start a blog. Blogging has been here for ages. It could be an enjoyable project for people who love writing, who can start your blog with 5k rupees only. It is a great way to earn money online because it allows you to work whenever you want. You are not dependent on the platform like Fiverr, Upwork, or YouTube, so you are not bound to companies' terms and policies. To start a blog, you must pick a niche. Once you know that your blog will talk about, then you must proceed to buy a domain and web hosting. You can use WordPress to make a free website. Once the website is ready, you can start posting content. The content will ultimately rank on Google through SEO optimization and will begin to see traffic on your blog. Now, it is the time to make money. You can monetize the blog through Google AdSense and it will pay you money depending on clicks on the ads. You can also monetize the website with affiliate link. How to choose the best way to earn money online in Pakistan? While reading this article, question will surface in your mind about which online earning method is better for you. It is not something you should worry about. Try freelancing. If does not feel right, leave it to move to YouTube. If don't like to YouTube, leave it, start your blog. Eventually you will become across something which intrigues your interest. Remember, success is hidden in your hard work and consistently. There is no such things as quickly money. I hope this article help you with how to earn money online in Pakistan with investment or without investment. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.